What's going on, everybody? It's SimplyAG here. Today we're over at Six Flags Great Adventure. We're about to go in. It's a little bit of a rainy day. It's not gonna be fun.
Hopefully it'll be less crowded today.
Yeah, that's what we're hoping. It takes the crowds away. Right now we see Green Lantern running, which isn't our favorite, but we saw Nitro running. I don't think King Ka, I don't think El Toro, I don't think Superman, but whatever. We're gonna go ahead and see what we can. We're gonna take you guys along with our day. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to see more, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna be doing a lot more parks. Let us know what parks you guys want to see, and we'll try to hit them. Ready to go in?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go. It is a good looking park though, I will say. Flash over there, and Nitro's going up right now. Alright, we're going on phone cam. That's what we're gonna have to do for the rest of the day because it's raining, so we can't use the DJI camera I have. We're making our way into the park now. This is the entrance. It's raining and then not raining and then raining again, so don't really know how this is gonna go. My hair is all messed up. It's alright though.
Beautiful.
Oh, thanks. Here's the entrance. It looks really nice. I really like this entrance. They changed it up a little bit ago. I guess the first ride is gonna be Jersey Devil, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, we're scared. All right. We're at Batman. It's raining. It'll be fun. Alright, so we just did Batman. It was super fun, right?
So fun.
We did 2 rides, front row.
Back row.
And what did you do?
I like the back row more.
I don't really know. I like front row because we're getting rain's hitting you in your face.
Yeah.
And like
Back
it's just
row
fast because of the rain, but yeah, back row.
Felt fast.
Yeah, it's definitely faster.
Yeah.
It's definitely faster. Yeah, good ride. I really like Batman.
Yeah.
I like any inverted. Not rough at all either.
No,
Like, super
no.
smooth. So yeah,
Yeah.
we like it. We're gonna go hit Jersey Devil next.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll see you guys there.
I'm hoping for backpack. Oh my god, it's so scary.
Alright, so we just got off Jersey Devil. It was really good.
It was really good.
Yeah. We couldn't sit next to each other. Well, it's a single rider coaster, so you don't sit next to anyone.
Yeah.
But she has to sit one behind the seat behind me.
There was a broken seat.
Yeah, it was a broken seat. But yeah, it was really fun. The single rail was awesome. It was like
really
the first initial flip, it can like flip you differently than I feel like a normal roller coaster does. Like, I don't know, it's really cool.
We stayed upside down for a little while after.
Yeah, it was really good. I highly recommend anyone who hasn't done like an RMC, I think it's a RMC Raptor, a single rail coaster, definitely do it. This one's pretty good.
One thing I would say is that if you have long legs, the seat restraint
The restraints
is
are
kind
bad.
of,
Yeah, you like split your legs apart, and like it's like it's like an overhead.
Definitely
kind
a
of
thigh
restraint.
crush.
Yeah, it wasn't like as bad as Sky Rush. No way. The old restraint Sky Rush, which we haven't tried the new one. We gotta try that someday. And you guys will definitely see. All right, what are we gonna do?
Nitro.
We're doing Nitro now. Nitro done. Super fun too.
Fun.
We really had fun doing that. Here it's raining too, so everything's hitting you in the face. But it's starting to rain a lot, so
It keeps going
we're gonna go. Yeah, we're walking. We're gonna be going to get some drinks and go on our next coaster. Now it's pouring. All right, peace. One thing about this park is I really like it. It's always clean.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's super dead today. But yeah, like I love the bus. And this is just a good park. It's big. They have a lot of space and good rides.
Good rides. A lot
right?
of rides.
Except this guy.
Yeah, no.
We do not like the Joker. We don't want to do the Joker. Yeah, no. We don't like spinning like that. That's not us. So cute. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. They're going again. That's cool. They're letting us go again. Yeah, we are good on this. But I want you in front of the bus. You're getting in. Oh, you're looking perfect. Yum Yum Cafe. So here are the wait times. You can see a lot. It's no wait, unless it's temporary delayed. So yeah, it's a good day to come. We are going to get on El Toro right now, which is right there. And again, you see, no wait. So let's go. It's raining hard now, so we're going to wait a little bit. I don't even think it's running El Toro right now, so don't really know. It's raining a lot harder than it was at all point today. Yeah, like you think right now is kind of hard as it's gone. Hopefully we hang out for a little bit. Maybe we get you food now. now. All right, El Toro done. It was super awesome.
It was so fun.
I loved it.
I loved it.
She
it
liked it.
hurt my
She was in
hips.
pain. Yeah.
The restraints were.
Yeah, she didn't like the restraints. I didn't mind the restraints at all. I had arms up the whole time. It was great.
I was holding on. It was so fun.
Full on, as much as I can go, especially when like going under the things that you feel like you're gonna hit your hand on.
Arms are
Yeah.
up? No.
Yeah, like you feel like you're gonna hit your
was
hands
ducking
on
my
it, and
head.
like it was super fun. This lift hill is crazy.
It just-
I mean, it zooms you up. So yeah.
They offered
Really
us
fun.
the second ride in a row.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
I was ready to do the second one, but nope.
I'm gonna
Someone
have
didn't want
bruises
to.
on my hips.
It's all right. We don't want to hurt, but we definitely have to hit that at least
Again.
once more again.
Yeah.
I really want to go hit Jersey Devil again and Nitro again.
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah, like I said, super dead here. The park is empty.
Walk on.
Yeah,
Not
like
even
it's
just
station.
wait.
It's like station wait to the bed. It's like front row walk on. It's
Yeah.
like, it's crazy. So yeah, we're really having fun.
Attention guests who are currently on the Runaway Minetrain. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. One of our attendants will be right there to assist you. We will get you moving momentarily.
They're running. So Minetrain just got stuck at the top of the lift hill. Worst
Happy
situation.
Daytona.
Yep. We're gonna go hit Medusa now. Super fun ride, and I like that they still have the fire, and I actually like the colors. If you guys didn't know, Medusa was the original ride here. So it was Medusa, and then it was Medusa, then they became Bizarro, the purple kind of color. But now it's Medusa, and it's the green and orange. It's kind of to commemorate the original ride that was here. I mean, I always love this ride. I love the fire, like I said. And I love just like the elements, like they have.
Tell me too much. I don't remember.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll keep it quiet until after. So we'll see you guys at the end. So we just got done with Medusa. 2 rides, really good. First ride, she's strong.
So I put my restraint down to get it.
Yeah, we like getting it nice and tight. So.
And it was
Yeah,
tight.
down
And
she
you
got
ever
hers
hear
tight.
the click for the last one, like the first loop.
Yeah,
tightest
it gets it
one.
opened up to the next notch, and she on the ride started freaking out. And like I get it, yeah. We understand completely, but yeah, she started freaking out. And like I was holding on to her thing, and I like could feel that it was locked. All was okay, but she was so scared, which is alright, totally understandable. You're on a roller coaster and
Going upside down.
yeah, so we I understand. We went a second time just to get over the fear and everything, get over that hump, and it was good.
Super fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, it's a good layout and pretty smooth and everything.
Yeah,
So, like,
yeah.
Wish they had
Nice
the fire
forward.
going, but it's raining today, so no fire today. Yeah, good ride. We're off to where are we doing now? Laying down right there. Next coaster, Runaway Minetrain. Yeah, let's not get stuck here. Well, that was Runaway Minetrain. It was alright, pretty bad.
Pretty good.
Super rough. Just like, oh my god, you rattle all over the place.
Again, if you have long legs, you're not
Yeah.
fit in a wheel well.
Not for it, but log flume right here. Wish we could do this because it is hot, even though it is a little rainy. But it's not even raining anymore.
No,
So
it's on and off.
yeah. So what's the plan? We did a lot. We did most of them. We have to go do Green Lantern,
Yeah.
and like we want to do Superman, but Superman's closed right now. So I don't know.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go over to the Superman area, hit
Yeah.
Green Lantern, and then once we do Green Lantern, we'll see Superman's open, which it won't be, and then from there.
Probably gonna drink at some point.
Yeah, we should do that. All right, go get drinks now. Ah, bummer. Yep, Superman is closed. Oh man, we're gonna go try doing Green Lantern because it's a ride at the park, so I guess we gotta do it. Even though we both know we don't like it and it just hurts. It's not a good coaster, but it's running.
Yeah.
So we gotta go do it at least once.
Go do it.
Let's go get a locker.
Yep.
So we just did Green Lantern and never
Never again.
did once when it first came out, and that was a long time ago. So I was like, we gotta do it again. I hated it then. I hate it now.
Hate it,
Oh, just uncomfortable. It hurts. It's not fun to go on. Like the first drop was fun because you're standing. It's like you've never done that before on a coaster before.
As soon as you go into those,
Yeah, like a loop, and then all the force on your legs is just not
my
good.
knees are paying for it.
Yeah, so never get on that one. Probably gonna go do Jersey Devil.
Yeah.
We can go do Jersey Devil now, then Nitro after that. Oh, do it.
Yeah. You got it. Wow. Oh.
There you go.
Thank you.
They have good gifts too, but I wish they had more like fun games. Like these are like, oh look, she got it. Wow, she did
You
it.
got a carrot. The bowling one at Hershey is
Oh, that bowling one at Hershey is the best. So the bowling one, I don't know if you guys have ever been there, but it's like, so you got a track and you need to get it in the middle without it rolling back. And like you have to use your momentum with it, and it's really fun. All right, we just realized we didn't do Skull Mountain. So Skull Mountain it is. I really liked it when I was younger. I don't know about nowadays, but
yeah, I don't
it's
really
fun.
remember it.
It's fun. It's a nice little like relaxed, I think family ride.
Yeah.
All right, Skull Mountain done. Weird, kind of weird vibe. And, like the theme is off. It's like Skull Mountain, but then it's like a disco inside. I don't know. And it's short. It's like a family ride, so it's all right. We're gonna go do Nitro, Jersey Devil, eat, and get the heck out of here. So it's been a long day, and yeah, we're tired. So let's go do Nitro. Oh man, that's a huge bummer. At least we got one on. Yeah. Let's go do the Jersey Devil. It's a good one. I like that drop. It's a nice drop. You know? Yeah. We just did our last round, right? Yeah, I think we're going to be done here. We did Jersey Devil, that's what it was. Not the little devil.
No,
not the little devil, the little kids ride. Yeah, really fun. Yeah, oh my god. We did. We got back row. You can't really choose where you're sitting on that. They sit you on just like the next person up sits where the next seat. It's a single seat. And man, I was the very back. The thing, it's like they're going full speed while I haven't even hit the top of the hill yet. So you are flying across that. And like she was right one ahead of me on the back. So
yeah,
second.
It was still.
Yeah, I'm
crazy.
Sure. Same thing. Yeah, like front row was nice because he saw. But nothing like that, and it wasn't even raining, so like I don't know if that makes it faster or slower, but yeah, really good. That's like one of my favorite rides. Honestly.
That was great.
Yeah. I'm gonna get me some fat burger. Burger done. Eating some fries now. She's about to go get some Mexican. Boom. Got some frozen margaritas. That's good. That's amazing.
It tastes like an ice pop.
Tastes like a green. Like
a
green ice cream. I don't even know. Lemon lime. I was thinking like the little balls, the little lemon lime balls, ice cream. Anyway, they're really good. These are really good. We could not get Gianna food though because they're gluten free. It's just an issue.
I was gonna get the rice bowl from Nacho or whatever.
Yeah, something like that.
Because and get the cheese taken off. But then we saw someone get it, and it was in like a
whole
shell,
which is awesome.
And
that's what you want. You want that taco shell. I love that taco shell. Yeah. If you go to Doba, always get the shell. Always get the shell if you go to Cadoba. Anyway,
everything but the rice was gluten free.
Yeah, we got some margaritas though, so it's just as good.
Yeah.
Except she's hungry. So what we're probably gonna do is go out of the park to feed her, because she can't eat in the park. And we're leaving the park now anyway. So we're just gonna go to a few shops, look around, maybe play another game. We're leaving. It's been a long day. Yeah, so we're at Adventure World. We're probably gonna go in here real quick and then leave. So cute. Yeah, so I really like this park. Like it's just so nice. You look great. All right, well, that's gonna do it for us at Six Flags Great Adventure. A few plans coming up. We're planning on either doing an Ace Atlantic City trip or a Busch Garden, Virginia Beach. Yeah, Busch Garden, Williamsburg trip. So that's probably gonna be the next video that you guys see. It's gonna be at the end of August, so don't expect anything before that. We still have to edit this video and everything, but things are looking good. We're getting a lot better with videoing. We are, we had to change things up because we were going to use my DJI camera, but we couldn't bring that in, so now we're just doing it on the phone. But it's all right. We're figuring it out. It's all right.
I had so much fun. I'm so happy we came today.
Yeah, we weren't going to come, but we decided to. It's a raining day. It actually worked out better because the park was empty. So yeah, it's really good. We appreciate it. We love you guys. This is SimplyAG signing out. catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos because we're always coming at you guys with more. Andy and Gianna signing out. Love you guys. Oh man, as we're leaving, we see Superman has opened. Oh, we're so disappointed that Superman has opened. I mean, we could just go right back in and go hit it, but it's been a long day. We got a long drive home, and we'll be back. It's our home park, so we'll be back.